Hello, one and all. This is Kanmani, working as an accounts executive at Fresa Technologies. Fresa Technologies is a great place to grow and develop both professionally and personally. Here, we have provided the platform to learn and explore new environments for the employees of the employees by the employees with daily training programs. Through mentoring and reviewing, we know our performance in a job really well. My determination to achieve goal found a place as Fresa to kick up my list of endeavors to be achieved successfully. I really wanted to excel in my career with these great set of peoples and supporting space. I love what I do. If you wish to grow a career at a right place where the sky is limit, then it is the right place to choose. Love to be a part of Fresa family. Thank you.